Hi everyone, thank you for having me. I'm Alexia Hawker, the project manager for Serenity Gardens City Park. Today I'll walk you through the project from start to finish, where we landed, what we achieved, and what you can expect as the park transitions into full operation. The purpose of Serenity Gardens was to create a space that feels inviting and inclusive for everyone in the community. We wanted to encourage outdoor activity from walking and jogging to family gatherings and small events. Beyond recreation, the park was designed to improve neighborhood connectivity, making it easier for residents to move around safely and enjoy public space. It's not just about green space, but enhancing the overall quality of life for our residents. This project achieved everything we set out to do. All facilities, paths, and structures were completed on schedule, with high-quality construction and attention to detail. Community members who visited during construction were pleased with the progress, and the finished park has received lots of positive feedback. Coordination across city departments and contractors was very smooth, which made managing multiple aspects like safety inspections, environmental monitoring, and accessibility much easier. The park includes a variety of features to meet the needs of different visitors. The trails are designed for walkers, joggers, and families with strollers and are illuminated with energy-efficient LED lighting. The playground offers safe and fun equipment for children of different ages. Open green spaces are flexible for informal sports or relaxation. Restrooms are water efficient and ADA compliant, and picnic areas provide shaded spots for community gatherings. Each feature was carefully selected and installed to create a balanced, functional, and enjoyable park experience. Every structure was built with accessibility, durability, and community use in mind. ADA compliance was a priority, ensuring restrooms and pathways are accessible to all. Picnic shelters provide gathering spaces that are shaded and comfortable. Community gardens give residents the chance to grow plants and vegetables, fostering community engagement. Landscaping uses native plants to reduce water consumption and support local wildlife. The trails are carefully designed to connect key areas of the park while also accommodating maintenance needs and safety considerations. Like any outdoor project, we face unexpected challenges. Heavy rain slowed grading and foundation work. Some playground materials arrived later than planned due to supply chain issues. We also needed to maintain safe access for nearby residents, so temporary pathways and signage were installed. Finally, because the park is adjacent to natural habitats, we had to carefully monitor construction to protect local wildlife. Each challenge required careful planning and quick decision-making to keep the project on track. We approached each challenge proactively. When weather slowed certain tasks, we focused on work that could continue safely, like landscaping or equipment installation. For supply delays, we coordinated with vendors to receive partial shipments so other project phases could still move forward. Temporary pathways and safety signage ensured the public could navigate around the construction area without risk. Environmental specialists also helped us adjust work practices to minimize disruption to local wildlife. These solutions are what allowed us to stay on schedule while protecting both the community and our environment. Sustainability was integrated into every stage of the project. Native plants reduce water usage and provide habitat for local pollinators. LED lighting lowers energy consumption while still maintaining safety. Materials for playgrounds, shelters, and paths were chosen for durability to reduce long-term maintenance costs. Restroom fixtures are water efficient, helping conserve resources. Overall, these decisions create a park that is environmentally responsible and cost-effective to operate over time. Maintenance is essential to ensure the park remains safe and welcoming. Daily restroom cleaning keeps facilities hygienic, while landscaping and seasonal planting preserve beauty and plant health. Trails and lighting require regular checks for safety and functionality. Playground inspections are critical for preventing any accidents. Trash and recycling management keeps the park clean, and irrigation systems are going to be monitored to ensure water efficiency. The operations plan has been designed to make routine maintenance clear and manageable for the city staff. The park was designed with future growth in mind. Adding more sports fields would meet the needs of youth leagues and community recreation. A pavilion or gazebo could host events and provide covered seating. Extending the trails would improve connectivity to the surrounding city, promoting more walking and biking. EV charging stations would support sustainable transportation goals. A splash pad could provide additional family-friendly activity. These enhancements aren't immediate needs, but they represent realistic and valuable upgrades as the community continues to use and enjoy the park. Every project teaches lessons that improve future work. For Serenity Gardens, we learned that building in weather buffers helps prevent delays from storms. Early vendor coordination reduces the risk of material delays. Community engagement early in the process ensures the park meets residents' expectations. Consistent communication between all teams from city departments to contractors is essential to keeping everyone aligned and avoiding missteps. These takeaways are what will help future park projects be even more efficient and effective. The project is now complete. All inspections have been conducted, including safety and accessibility checks. The city team has received the full maintenance and operations plan. The park is officially ready for public opening and the ribbon cutting ceremony. This handover represents the hard-worked months of planning, construction, and collaboration, and the community now has a new, fully functional green space to enjoy. Press conference question number 1. What were the major challenges during the project? The main challenges were heavy rainfall at the start of the project, delays in receiving playground equipment, and the need to maintain safe public access during construction. We tackled these by resequencing tasks, coordinating closely with vendors, and setting up temporary pathways and signage to ensure safety. We also worked closely with environmental specialists to make sure wildlife and local habitats were being protected. Question 2. What lessons will you apply to future park projects? One of the biggest lessons that we learned from Serenity Gardens is the importance of planning for unexpected delays, like weather, by building extra buffers into the schedule. Early coordination with vendors is essential to avoid supply chain delays, especially for specialized materials. We also learned the value of engaging the community early and frequently so that the park meets their needs and expectations. Finally, keeping open, consistent communication between all departments and contractors ensures everyone stays aligned, which helps prevent mistakes and keeps the project running smoothly. These lessons are what will guide us in how we approach any future city park projects, making them more efficient and community focused. Question 3. How does Serenity Gardens benefit the local community in the long term? In the long term, Serenity Gardens gives the community a reliable, safe place to get outside, stay active, and spend time together. It supports everything from daily walks to family events, and it keeps nature close and accessible. It's also an investment in environmental stewardship, bringing more native plants, better stormwater management, and a space that encourages people to appreciate and take care of their local environment. Overall, it becomes a long-lasting asset that strengthens community well-being.